Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today's date is April the 24th. The last time I did a little video update on these yellow and orange peppers was back on the 18th of April. So the last video in this series was 6 days ago, and in that video there wasn't much activity. We had planted the little seeds into these little Jiffy pellets and there really wasn't much going on, and I just wanted to come back and show you the progress. In that last video, the one with a toothpick, it was the only one that we really saw anything just coming out of the soil. These other ones, there was nothing. I had planted the little seeds that had germinated. You can see here one of them has not started. That probably won't, it's probably dead. This one here, you can see, is just coming out a little bit right there. Right there. So really small. And then we've got the other ones that are coming along, not too badly. But I just wanted to give a really fast update on these. And just a little bit of background, all of these little plants that you're seeing here were grown from fresh seeds. I had bought some orange and yellow peppers. I had cut them up, and then I took the seeds, I let them dry out for about 2 weeks, and then I tried to germinate them, and I do have some success. So this really started out as more of an experiment, but it has turned out pretty well. So it's going to be very interesting to see, a little later on in the plant's life, see what happens with these plants, and I will keep you updated on that. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe, just hit that little notification bell right beside the subscribe button, and that will notify you in your email every time I upload a brand new video. And if you recognize my voice, yes, I am that guy over on the recipe channel, Bake Like a Pro. You can check me out over there as well at youtube.com/bakelikeapro. And I'm also on Facebook at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. Lots of recipes, and I try to upload a new recipe each week. So that's it for today, and I'll see you next time.